Hello everyone, welcome to the problem solving session. In this playlist, we will find videos which are the solutions of JEE Advanced 2024 paper 1. Till this point, you will find 4 videos in the playlist which handles basically the single option correct questions. Now we are going to start the section 2, that is more than one option correct questions. So this section is very tricky because here solving one problem is not sufficient. Rather, you have to analyze each and every options, which options are correct and which option is wrong. So you have to tick meticulously. So let us start this section with the question number 5. Yeah, so let us read the question. A particle of mass m is moving in a circular orbit under the influence of the central force Fr equal to minus kr, where r is the radius, corresponding to the potential energy Vr equal to kr square by 2, where k is the positive force constant and r is the radial distance from the origin. So that means that one particle is rotating in a circular path. According to the Bohr's quantization rule, the angular momentum of the particle is given by L equal to nh bar or something. H bar is equal to h by 2 pi. That is okay. H is the Planck's constant and n is a positive integer. If V and E are the speed and the total energy of the particle respectively, then which of the following equations are correct? So in this problem, we have to analyze each and every options. So first, let us draw the diagram. Simple diagram of a particle of mass m moving in a circular path. So mass m is moving with velocity v in a circular path of radius r. Now what do you know? We know that if r equal to minus kr, that means force is towards the center and the amount of force is k into r. And as the particle is rotating in the circular path with velocity v, it will definitely get one centrifugal force in the opposite direction, that is mv square by r, and these two forces will be balanced. So what we can write from here, that is mv square by r will be balanced by the central force, that is kr. This is the first equation. Another information that is told, that is L equal to nh. L is equal to angular momentum. So what is the angular momentum? If particle is rotating with velocity v in a circular path of radius r, mvr is the angular momentum. That is equal to n into h bar. Okay. These two equations we know. So from here, what we can write, that what is v, we can find out from the first equation. What is v in terms of r? V square equal to r square k by m. So we can find out that v equal to r root over of k by m. Now we'll put this v into this equation, mvr equal to nh. So if we put that, then what we'll get, m into r into root over of k by m into r equal to n into h bar. So we'll get the value of r square from here. R square is n h bar. Here it will be root over of k by m. So m will come over of k by m. So see, we are getting our first option. This is correct one. That's what we are getting. Right now, similarly, if we substitute r in this equation, we'll find out the v square. Now we'll check whether this option is correct or not. What is r? R, from this equation we can write that r is equal to v root over of m by k. Then r, if we put in this equation, option A gone. So in this equation we'll put r, m, v, r is v into m by k, n h bar. So what is the value of v square? V square we are getting n h bar, k is here, k will go to the numerator, and m, so it will be m cube. So see, the second option is also correct. Now we are going to check the third option, whether it is correct or not. L by mr square. So we'll find out the value of L by mr square. What is L? L we know that is L equal to mvr, and we'll put mr square. So that is basically becoming the ratio of V by R. And what we found out here, the ratio of V by R is root over of K by M. Root over of K by M. L by mr square is equal to root over of K by M. Okay, that is also correct. So A, B, C options are correct. Now the energy. Energy is the total energy. So what is the total energy? Equal to half of mv square, that is kinetic energy, Ke, and another energy is there that is also given, that is the potential energy. That value is kr square by 2. We'll just put that. So total energy becomes summation of kinetic energy and potential energy. Now we know the value of V square. V square is nh into root over of K by m cube. We'll put that half of m nh bar root over of K by m cube plus K by 2 into r square. R square value will put, r square value is nh by root over of K by m. H root over of K by m. Now we'll do the addition. N into h bar by 2 root over of K by m plus nh bar by 2 root over of K by m. So total energy is becoming nh bar root over of K by m. But what is our option? Is given equal to nh by 2 root over of K by m. But we are getting nh root over of K by m. So this option is not correct. So A, B, C, these options are correct. I hope you understood. Thank you.